So there are some traders, those who will see this. So this makes a higher high, and then it makes a higher low, and then it makes a higher high, and then it makes a higher low, and then it makes a higher high. So now our retail trader, or like a normal break and retest trader, he will do this, right? Because this was the break and retest, and then market went up. Okay, and now this was the previous structure. So now we, the traders, those who have the perspective of like institutions, we know that people took the buys from here, and for some sort they got the entry and they are in profit right now. So when they're in profit right now, this much profit, so they will do break even right over here, because they don't want to close it in on 1:1. If they close it on 1:1, they will be profitable. But from this we can see that this was a retest and then market went up. So now we, the retail traders, we will look for the price to go down, and there can be fair value gap and anything, and those are the not fair value gap. First the stop loss should be taken, and then we should look for the fair value gap. Okay, so now we know that all the retail traders have done their break even, and some of them would have been not done break even, but still also, so like most of the liquidity is just below of this low. So market will go down. We will not buy from here, from 702 level of optimal trade entry. Okay, because it's like if you enter right over here, it will be like a supply and demand entry. Okay, and there will be some traders, those who will be buying once more when price comes back to this structure, this area of interest. But our entry, we know that where is the liquidity sitting. Liquidity is sitting below of this structure, right? So our entry will be just little, when price will go a little bit below of this structure right over here, we will enter just right over here. Okay, and now we can put our stop loss like 10 pips or 20 pips. Okay, and now our target will be this structure high. Okay, and now then what price do? Price goes up, and now the retail traders can see that this is a market structure shift, right? Because market created a lower low, so they will think that this is a resistance. Okay, this is a supply, so now they will sell from this area. But what price will do, it will keep on going up, and it will take the stop loss one more time. So now our entry will be right over here, and our stop loss will be like 10 pips, and our target will be 1:2 or something.